In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate cold emails without any coding by using Make.com. This can be a game changer for those who want to streamline outreach efforts and focus more on strategy than tedious manual work. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step together. To get started on this automation journey, the first thing you want to do is head over to Make.com. This is an excellent platform that allows you to connect different apps and design workflows with ease. Once you're on the Make.com website, you'll see the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Click on that button to log into your account. If you're new to Make, you'll need to create an account first, but for returning users, a simple sign-in will do just fine. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Make homepage. From here, navigate to the dashboard. It might look a little busy at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. On the dashboard, look for the option that says New Scenario. This is a crucial step because scenarios are essentially the core of your automated workflows. Go ahead and click on it to begin building a new one. You'll be greeted with an interface asking you to add a module to start the workflow. Click on Add, which will allow you to search through a list of available apps and services. In our case, we're going to be working with Google Sheets, so type Google Sheets into the search bar. Once you've searched for Google Sheets, a list of possible operations will appear. Choose Watch Rows from the list. This option means the scenario will trigger based on changes or additions to the rows in your Google Sheet. This is particularly useful as it allows you to keep track of new entries or updates that might be relevant to your email automation tasks. At this stage, you'll want to set up the connection to your Google Sheets account if you haven't done so already. This involves granting Make the necessary permissions to access your spreadsheets. With that connection in place, you will be able to specify exactly which spreadsheet and sheet you want this scenario to monitor. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just laid the groundwork for automating cold emails using Google Sheets and Make.com without writing a single line of code. As you advance, you can add more modules to expand the workflow, such as incorporating email sending features through Gmail or other email services. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you achieve more efficient email outreach. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy automating!